There are now three ways to enter Post Hub from NX. Browse Machine on Post Hub on the Machine ribbon bar, and in the Edit Machine dialog, focus on machine kits in the Post Hub to be installed into the local library and loaded into the current CAM setup part using a single click. Browse online for a post processor in the Post Process dialog focuses more on the post kit in the Post Hub to be installed locally. It has been enhanced to install a machine kit and open a sample part as well. Click Browse Machine on Post Hub on the Machine ribbon bar to enter Post Hub and download an SMKS kit. NX will display a window asking you if you want to replace the machine or open a sample part. Clicking Open Sample Part will close the Post Hub page, install the machine into the library, and open a sample part. You can then run machine code simulation. Open the Post Hub page again. This time, we'll click the Replace Machine button. NX closes the Post Hub page and displays the part mounting dialog. This is the same process as Replace Machine. Open the Post Process dialog and click Browse Online for a Post Processor to enter Post Hub. After downloading a machine kit, a window displays asking you to install a machine or open a sample part. Clicking Install Machine installs the machine kit into the current machine library. You can replace the machine later.